So I ordered these LED starry string lights from TaoTronics on Amazon. They're a copper wire light that come with a remote, so you can change it to any setting if you want to dim or pulse them. Waterproof, they're for outside, but I'm going to use them for the inside of my bedroom because I want that warm feel in the room. I'm painting them white because the walls are white, and I feel like it'll go better and blend better with the room. The remote is bomb. You see there's a bunch of settings. They work clearly. That was after I got done painting. I wanted to see if the painting changed any of the lights, and it didn't. Yeah, this, like I said, 33 feet. I don't know if it's going to be big enough for my room because I didn't measure, but it's not. It's okay, though, because I'll order more. I ordered another set, but they were the smaller plug-in set. The ones that I have now come with the remote, but these ones don't. So I tested these out. What I'm trying to do is connect them to the ones that I have hanging here, so I didn't have to order a whole new set. And I practiced with these ones. I cut a wire off, cut a light bulb off to see if they work. Now, when I plug them in, they don't turn on because I cut it. And as I was messing with the wires, I figured out that if I touch these two, strip them and touch them together, then the lights work again. So and they're so beautiful. So what I'm going to try to do is cut the ones that come with a remote and strip those wires and try to connect this together. Please pray for me. Okay.
I'm gonna cut them now. Oh, I'm so scared.
Okay, so I cut them. They turned off, but I kind of partially stripped the wire, and if I need to, I can. I'm sorry, I'm recording this with one hand. Hold on. If I need to, you see that? They turn back on. I can fix it. So good. That's all that matters, is if I can fix it and they did turn back on. Okay, so let's try and connect the new wires with the old ones. Okay, so after a bunch of twisting and scraping right here, hold on, focus. Okay, I've twisted a bunch of wires together and I got a little bitty light. Okay, now what I'm gonna try is to plug this in to the extension cord and see if it gets brighter. I mean, if that works, then I won't have to do that much twisting and scraping and trying to connect these freaking circuits together, because then I can just plug it in on the other side of the room. It'd be simple. Okay, hold on, let's see. If I die, guys, rest in peace to me. Okay, let's see. Look at me. Ooh, I'm gonna try something. Okay, so the first thing I told you guys come with a remote. Let me see if the remote still works on all of the lights. Okay. Oh, I think I broke it. The remote works on all of them. Again, the ones that are wrapped up are the newer lights. Oh my goodness, yes. Fuck yes. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh. So I got the lights up. Okay. And they're bomb. I see I got all these extra ass lights, but what I'm actually gonna do with these is I'm gonna get a tufted headboard or whatever it's called for this part. I'm gonna put the rest of the lights around the headboard and then string them back up and around. Oh yeah, I'm transforming the fuck out of this room. They look bomb. And it's daytime, by the way, if you can't tell. These curtains are just fucking magnificent, the keeping light out. This is just the first step to me transforming this entire room to the way I want it. Just keep watching and you'll see what I do, because I'm fucking excited. I'm so happy these lights turned out the way I wanted them to. Like, this is a fucking vibe. This is, yes. I just lay down and there's just lights all around the room. It's a beautiful thing. I'm gonna get a new light fixture for this too, because that is basic as fuck. And I'm not a basic bitch, alright? I am clatchet. I'm a classy ratchet type of gal. Like, I'm bougie as fuck, but at the same time, bitch, I'm cheap. Okay? I am so cheap, and I will find a way to get everything I want, but in a decent little price. Now, yeah, I could have ordered a longer light, because they do on Amazon. They have the 66 feet string lights with the remote for $22, and the smaller ones were only 33 feet, and it was the smaller ones were only 33 feet, and they were $13, and then the ones that plug in were $9. Now, eventually, yeah, I ended up spending more. Eventually, I will probably move these lights and move them into the living room and just order the 66 feet lights. But I just wanted to see if I could connect the lights and make them work, because I like doing little shit like that. But I'm glad I did, because now I know that if they ever like break, or anybody ever cuts the wire somehow, I can put that shit back together myself. Like, it pays to be a DIY type of bitch. So yeah, just keep watching and watch how I revamp or redo my first apartment ever, because this bitch was, the people who lived here before me, I don't know how they did it, because I could never, not me, I could never live like that. So yeah, I know you're probably bored now. I'll put the links to the lights in the description, as well as the 66 feet lights, because I'm pretty sure you want to do that instead of having to strip some wires and connect two lights together. If you really, really, really want to know how I did it, just comment below, and I will cut the lights again and, set the camera up better to show you how I connected the lights and made them all work together. So yeah, any questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section, y'all. Bye.